My question today is, can you change the title of your job on a resume? So, why this would come up is if your organization, let's say, had a creative title for the job that you have. So maybe instead of saying you're a product manager, they call you a product guru. And you see that, well, no one else has that particular title, and it's not very descriptive about what you do. So that could be one case. Or it could be the case that you have a very generic title that no one will really know what that means. So, as an example, maybe your title officially is Accountant 3. Well, I have no idea what an Accountant 3 does. It could be very different depending on the organization. So, when someone looks at that generic title, they don't really get an idea of what you did. So if you fall into those categories, or it's just you have a variation of a title that is not as common as others in your industry, then you may want to do some more descriptive work on your resume. And what I mean by that is you may want to put in a title that is more relevant to what the reader is expecting or would understand. So as an example with that product guru, what you can do is for the title of that particular job, you could put product guru because that is your official title. And then right after it in parentheses, you can put product manager. That way you're being very transparent. You're letting the reader know your official title as well as the more common title. So that is something to keep into mind when you're faced with this dilemma on your resume.